What's good, y'all? Well, today I'm doing another one. All right. So, what is it? Nissan Altima right here. 02, 03, something like that. I'll double check later, but.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Oh, yeah, 03. Radiator busted. It's my cousin's car. She called me and fixed it. She's gonna get the radiator now. I'm gonna show you what it is. All right, so as you can see, all the fluid. It's been about a day and a half. This is all radiator coolant. Her coolant reservoir, I guess it broke. I'm not sure. We'll find out. But yeah, you see all that green coolant is because her radiator is burst somewhere. So I'm gonna find out. But I'm obviously replacing that. I just don't want to get too dirty. So yeah, just give me a second. Give my cousin my Impala. It's like a death trap right now. So I just text her like, yo, don't worry about none of the noise. Just drive and drive back. I don't want her getting scared over some bullshit. So lucky me, I got an extra spare set of tools. I left my toolbox in my house. Whatever, man. My main goal is just taking out the hoses and everything else before she comes back with the new one. And then I'm like stuck. Huh? So don't just make it harder than it gotta be. See, slide it over. Once I slide it off, then I can pop it out. See? Boom. Pop out. Done. Zoomed. Fuck. Russian things. Screw right there. Here. I didn't even come out to get dirty today, but this is what it is. I'm just gonna change this radiator. Good thing I don't gotta take out the condenser or nothing, it's just the radiator and the fan. These little covers. We also have rubbers right here. These are broken. She might want to get new ones. If the new one comes with it, we'll replace it. Hose off. This shit is practically over with already, honestly. I want to take out those holders. Taking out the power clips, the wires going through. Right, nice. Normally it doesn't work out that easily for me. So it's kind of amazing. That's how it's supposed to come out. Perfect. That pigeon, get away from me, pigeon. Nice. Nice. there's another problem. So if you see there's no clip right here, looks like it's connected to this the condenser. Alright, so she's not gonna have any AC. That's what it is. Oh yeah, I forgot about the bottom hose. They're easily available though. Good thing. And the crazy thing about it is that basically when you do this, your entire engine loses all its coolant, and you have no choice but to refill it with all the coolant. Up and down. Up. Let's show you real fast. This is the clip that broke. You see on the side with the gold piece hanging. Right. Got the 2 fan clips, and you have this hose right here that after a couple of wiggles, it should just come right up. And technically, I should be cleaning that up, having a pan under there, but it's too late now. And at this point, this whole radiator should come up. I have to check if there's maybe 1 or 2 other lines in the bottom as I pick it up, and I'll find out. So now, check out this hose also. I'm gonna kill myself. Look at this car, man. They don't even care. Everything is rusted. Everything is disgusting. Look, hose is bad. Oh, man. Bad for the car, man. Sorry, baby. Sorry I did this to you. Well, maybe next time I don't have these problems. Okay. As you pick it up, you should be able to get the bottom. Hopefully it stays. What I was saying is when I don't speak to a lot of people throughout the day, my voice ends up being parched in the middle of the day like this. It sucks. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this happened when she had the accident first. This is very dangerous too, just because the radiator part of it. What the fuck? See. Go up, that was a transmission. Oh shit. There's really nothing you can do. It's all gonna get wasted regardless. This is the aftermath. Those are the 2 hoses. They're not very long. Transmission. And I might want to hold that up just so it doesn't leak out. But this is it right here. It's the space that you need. So this is her condenser. There's a sensor right here, which is good. At least she doesn't have to get a whole new condenser. Change the sensor is done. But she had an accident here, so this is exactly what's the problem. And now, I guess the radiator finally went. right? And now it's just time to replace. So she's coming back. This is the piece right here. Once she comes back with this whole thing, and I'm pretty sure this is where it was leaking from. But once she comes back with this whole thing, we're done. I'm glad that job is done. She wanted me to go with her to pick up the radiator. I was like, nah, I'm gonna do my job here. So look, it's done. My job is done. I pack everything up, literally wait until the new radiator comes and then pop it in. But nonetheless, not easy, not hard. So wouldn't mind recommending it. All right? You can do that shit yourself for sure. And this shit cost about what? $80 she said she's buying it for? $80 radiator replacement? Not bad. I guess in New York. There's no doubt about it that this is poorly maintained. If you look inside, some white gunk. Look. Disgusting, y'all. So. I don't know exactly what that is, but I know that's not good. You see it come out. I don't know what that white stuff is. But let me stop this before making it worse. All right, so while we wait, you know, I'm waiting for my cousin to come back with my car and the part. I cleaned a little bit of what I can with the water that I do have, but honestly, she needs a pressure washer. She needs to scrub this whole top of that engine. She told me she got an engine replacement, so like a year back. So it's been like this for a year. All her fluids are low, power steering. Oh, there she goes right there. Boom, Impala. So I guess we're ready for the replacement now. Got the part, y'all. That should be in your engine right now, you know that, right?
It should be?
Yeah.
Is it in the engine?
Yeah, because you can see right here by the thermostat. It's white shit in there.
Oh, that means it ain't like that.
Yeah, but I mean, it's gonna get washed out, but it's still gonna stay in as you circulate. So
Did you see what that was?
it's like just foam from not having the fluid. My best not to scrape this shit. See? I like it because you don't gotta tighten it up. You just pull it up. Because of this. See, the other one you just slide over and then tighten it. This one, boom. See? It's the original one. It's way better. To me. Shorty don't like those shits. You know, throw it out. Get this one.
Yeah.
All the time. I'm like, no, what are you doing? That's the original one. It's easy. What are you talking about? All right. Hold on. See what I was talking about? It's this clamp right here. But it was stuck onto this hose for a while. So don't matter. It's done now. Clean. I feel like it's more space.
Yeah.
You wouldn't care, I know.
I don't know.
I know. So the job is over with. Fill this shit up. Turn on the car, fill it up some more. Turn on the car, fill it some more. And you're done. Let it warm up. Fans turn on. Really, the job is done.
Very nice.
Yeah. Hour for work. Not bad. Not bad. The cleanup is the problem. That's the old one, yo. It's the old, fucked up one. So they just put a balloon up for the top. So, whatever. That's perfect. That's beautiful right there. So you see there's no bubbles? There's no air in the system right now.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
Perfect. So basically we're going to let it rock for a little bit. It's going to suck some more. And when the thermostat opens up, fill it up for more. Once it's stable like that for about 5 minutes, we put the cap on, done. But that's what I like to see. Yeah, you can throw a little bit in there. I see a little bit in the bottom still.
Yeah.
Just throw the water till it can't no more. But yeah,